In this tutorial, we will explain how an Amba user views photos. On the Amba user's home page, a yellow flashing photo button will indicate there are new photos to view. It is best practice to send the Amba user a message to explain new photos have been added to their device. When they press the Photos button, the next screen will show them all of their albums available to view. The new album and new photos are highlighted with a yellow star, and the number of photos added are shown. They press this album and are taken to a screen to confirm that's the album they wish to view. On the next screen, you will notice a "This is a new photo" box. This indicates the new photos that have been added, and they can navigate between these photos with the next and previous buttons. Once they have viewed all new photos, the message disappears. They can return to the other albums, at which point you will see the star has been removed. In addition, the home screen Photos button also returns to normal. Pressing this button will always take them back to their full set of albums to view at any time. For further information about Amba or to make a purchase, visit www.sonecto.com. Alternatively, you can call us on 0330 311 060.